name is Reagan, and today we are going to make some laundry detergent to keep your laundry clean. So, we're gonna start with some materials. So, we need this Unstoppable
fabric softener.
Fabric softener. I don't know how to word it. This laundry booster, baking soda, laundry flakes, stain remover, and borax. And you need a big spoon, a measuring cup, 1/3 cup, and a big bowl. Also gonna want to wear a mask so you don't have any powder go into your nose. And if there's any chunks, like this one right over here, you're gonna want to break them with your big spoon.
You just dumped everything in there?
Yeah, the recipe will be in the comments, so you can make it.
Why don't you mix it so people can see what it looks like?
So if there's any chunks of, just chunks in general of powder, you usually should take your hand and break it, but borax is very strong, so you're gonna have to wash your hands right after you finish that. So I'm just mixing right now. Desire. Also, these little chunks are okay. So here you just break the chunks, and that's pretty much it. And then you package your new laundry detergent. Bye.